Welcome to Marketing Analytics Designed for Agencies, an SMEs. In this first lesson, we're starting with the most important mindset shift of the entire course, understanding why analytics must lead the marketing process. For decades, marketers have built campaigns based on intuition, experience, or trends, and then used analytics at the end to see what happened. But in 2025, that model is outdated. Analytics is no longer a passive reporting function. It's the brain of your marketing system, and it must lead every strategic decision before a single dollar is spent. Most marketing teams still treat analytics like a scorekeeper. Campaigns are launched first, and only after results drop do analysts get called in to explain the numbers. The result? Slow reaction times, wasted ad spend, biased conclusions that rely on surface-level metrics like CTR or impressions. Analytics ends up chasing decisions instead of driving them. But imagine flipping that around, where analytics defines the strategy, sets expectations, and continuously feeds insights back into creative and media decisions. That's the transformation we're aiming for in this course. Think of analytics as the chief of staff to your marketing team. Its role is to keep strategy aligned, verify performance, and make sure every decision is grounded in reality, not assumption. When analytics leads, campaigns are built around measurable hypotheses. Creative and targeting are optimized proactively, not reactively. Your team becomes data-driven without losing creativity. In short, analytics becomes the operating system of marketing. It designs the experiments, defines success, and automates the feedback loop between data and action. For agencies and small to medium businesses, leading with analytics changes everything. It builds client trust. When your recommendations are backed by structured data, you stop sounding like a vendor and start acting like a strategist. It scales your operations. Data-led frameworks make reporting repeatable and predictable across multiple clients. It increases profitability. You waste less time guessing and more time optimizing what works. And most importantly, it positions analytics as a premium service, not an afterthought. Clients don't just want reports anymore. They want decisions powered by insight. Leading with analytics isn't just about collecting more data. It's about designing your analytics system so it delivers clarity, speed, and automation. That's the foundation of this course. We'll build a system where data is centralized in Google Sheets, AI interprets performance automatically, and insights flow directly into marketing decisions. By the end, you'll stop creating static reports and start building a decision engine that runs your marketing intelligently. So before we move forward, remember this principle. Analytics should not follow marketing. It should lead it. In the next lesson, we'll break down the problems with traditional reporting and why they keep marketers trapped in reactive cycles. Get ready to rethink how your team measures, learns, and decides, because from now on, analytics is in the driver's seat.